The quality of our sleep can have a big impact on how we function. But a new Australian study is drawing the link between snoring and our thinking ability. And it's those over 70 who are the worry.
It's the sound of many bedrooms. For more than a decade, Michelle Barton felt the impacts of chronic snoring.
I actually had to stop working because I was so tired all of the time.
6 years ago, she was diagnosed with sleep apnea and after using a CPAP machine, ended up changing careers to work at CPAP Victoria.
All of a sudden, everything was clear and that fog just lifted off my brain and I could just be human again.
Australian research has found abnormal breathing during sleep can lead to poorer thinking ability and lower quality of life in those over 70.
Highlighting the importance that sleep plays in cognitive impairment and dementia. Because if one looks at the textbooks, one rarely sees the word sleep as a reversible factor for memory loss.
The study of 1,400 people involved cognitive testing and at-home sleep monitoring, revealing many are going untreated when it comes to sleep apnea.
Upwards of 2/3 of the population at that age of above 70 will have snoring. Probably about a quarter to a half of those will have sleep apnea.
It's hoped more research will unveil just how vital sleep is to our health.
Those who had untreated sleep apnea were at the sort of so-called bottom of the class.
If you're concerned about the quality of your sleep or your attention during the day, it's recommended you speak with your doctor who can organise sleep testing at home or in a lab.
Not only be aware of your sleep quantity, but actually the sleep quality.
Penelope Leish, 9 News.